So this is just going to be a real quick video about a new plant to the farm, which is Musa basjoo, or Japanese hardy banana, aka Japanese banana, Japanese fiber banana. And it's kind of a little premature for me to be making this video, I think, just because I haven't owned this plant for more than a season yet. I've only had it since this spring, but it's just, I'm really excited about this plant because it will enable us to make our own banana leaf tamales. That's the primary interest I have in it. We are in zone 5A, and this plant is very, very marginally hardy here. I'm going to probably need to protect it over the winter to get it to survive, and there's a bunch of videos on YouTube on people protecting their basjoos for the winter. And yeah, but as you can see, it is a banana plant and it is growing here in zone 5A, and I'm very excited about it. By every account, it will not flower or fruit here, but the fruits are basically inedible anyway. And so its primary use is for the leaves and for its, decorative effect. I'm more interested in the leaves in a culinary sense. And I also wanted to give a shout out to Chris at Esoteric Agriculture, who I received this banana from. And actually, he sent me 2 banana pups this spring. The other one is right here, still in the pot. I've had it in the greenhouse because I was originally thinking I would plant these 2 in different locations just to sort of hedge my bets. But of course, the second plant never got planted because life got in the way and I was busy doing farming stuff. So yeah, I'm probably gonna just end up plunking this one in right next to here, because I'm kind of running out of time in the season, and then it'll be, I guess, easier just to try and overwinter them together in the same protective structure or whatever. But I really do want to give a shout out to Esoteric Agriculture. His channel is really awesome. I love just about every video he's ever put out. Is super interesting. And yeah, for whatever it's worth, if you like this channel, you will like Esoteric Agriculture. And this collaboration with him, trading seed and plants and stuff, that's kind of like what I get out of YouTube. This is not a monetized channel, and it never will be. So really, for me, what YouTube is all about is exchanging information and collaborating on stuff, and learning new things and teaching things, and so his channel is very, very good and very educational. And I've also directly benefited from the relationship. So I mean, you don't have to make money on YouTube to make YouTube worth it. And honestly, I think trying to run a YouTube channel as a business is just an insane rat race. There's no rational reason to try and do that, in my opinion. But you can still learn a lot of cool stuff and meet cool people and exchange great information. And so, and exchange great plant material. So it's just really exciting to see these plants grow. And yeah, I just wanted to do really quickly, thank you, Esoteric Agriculture. Things are doing awesome, and these bananas are rocking my world. And I just really appreciate it. And if you, once again, if you like this channel, go over and check out Esoteric Agriculture. He's got some great stuff going on over there. Okay. Thanks for watching.